coup d'etat in Guinea. The constitution suspended, borders closed for 1 week. Coup d'etat. The sitting president is overthrown by the military in Guinea. The Guinean constitution is suspended, and the borders of the country is closed, or the borders are closed for 1 week. Ghana, you say waiting. Through Telegram, Brain Network, ladies and gentlemen, I welcome all of you to this program. What you say? Now, a 4th of August, and the Ghanaian youth, umotisi abonti, ekoye demonstration, ekoye peaceful demonstration, and during their demonstration, they said that the first, the second, the third Republic of Ghana was overthrown by Ghana, but they are going to use their mouth. And NSO Subeba say on TSC, what drop petition and the command IGP. NS, you people should get ready. You people get ready and do the right thing, because your intimidation this time around is not gonna work. Say there, Nana Akufo-Addo, or sorry, I know a promoting way. Or sorry, I know what the way to her. Or sorry, I know a creative position. I'm not way. No. The same thing. Diallo, you are promoting. Alpha Conde, you are promoting. Abeyano, the leader of the armies of the country. Hence, he got the opportunity and were arrested the president of the land. Coup d'etat. Ghana. We are suffering. Even those who said form for Nana are suffering. Some people, they are just feeling ashamed and they can't talk. Some people, they wish they are like us, that they can talk. If Guinea is able to do coup d'etat, sebi pebiasa, Guinea for omoni biechenyo. The Guinean, the peoples of Guinea, in one way or other, are no more civilized than we Ghanaian. And Ghanaian, we deserve better. We deserve better. Say you can. Most say Montiodia. Always, Fayesikano, Fafo plans are. Sa the vaccine that the German government has suspended in their country, the vaccine which the German, the Italian, the France and the Italian, they have suspended, is what you, Nana Akufo-Addo, you went for 1.5 million doses, and you are thinking that you have done something that you deserve applaud. You think you deserve applaud from we, the good people of Ghana, unless we don't know. There was a time we were afraid to speak. There was a time we were afraid to manifest, to manifest. We were afraid to demonstrate. But now, if Guinea has done it, if the foreigner did it to Gaddafi, and Guinea, the peoples of the country, 2021, they have done it. Ghana, you say waiting. You say waiting. Me, always I say that the Ghanaian police, they are very good, they are professionals. But because somebody has to command them before, but because somebody somewhere wants them to do what he wants, that is why we think that the Ghanaian police are not professional. That's why we think that the Ghanaian army, the Ghanaian soldiers, that's why we think that they are not good. That's why we think that the Ghanaian media, because somebody somehow is controlling them, somebody is keeping them hungry so that they can continue begging him. Somebody always keeping the police and the soldiers hungry. He made sure that they are hungry. And once you are hungry, you will obey command. Go and bring the soda. I give you 1 cedi. You will go. But if like the work you have done, the 5 cedi job you did, if you were paid that 5 cedis, nobody will be able to use 1 cedi to deceive you. I believe in Ghanaian police. I believe in the Ghanaian army. And I believe in the Ghanaian citizens. If Guinea has done it, it is not beyond the reach of the Ghanaian. Maybe the Ghanaian will decide not to do it. Maybe the Ghanaian will decide to do it not. And it doesn't mean they cannot. Coup d'etat in Guinea, constitution suspended. The constitution is suspended. In the same constitution, we are asking our leaders to review. We are not going to ask them to overthrow it. They should reconsider it. They say they will not listen. They say they will not listen. Professor Atamis, since 2012 or 2011, they brought you the report on the white paper report on the Constitution Review Commission. The people you have appointed to go and ask the peoples of Ghana their view about the Constitution, the strength and the weakness of the Constitution. They brought you the report. You, Professor Atamis, you didn't implement what the people want. John Mahama, you came. You didn't do anything about it. Nana Addo has come. He too is not doing anything about it. Guinea, they have successfully made a coup. Successfully. Ghana, you say wait. Ladies and gentlemen, this Truth-Telling Time Brain at Work, your home of update. What I say, what you subscribe to your page, YouTube channel, Truth-Telling Time TV. Truth-Telling Time TV. Wonya subscribe kwase hono na boso se wo se esoko peche se wonya subscribe na wa subscribe ne ye kan ye humbo. Every leadership fears unity against him. Every leadership fears an opposing unity when the people come together as one to oppose the leadership. There's nothing he can do. That is why our people, our leaders, always are making sure that they separate us by religion, by politics, and by even words they speak. Ladies and gentlemen, we're in Kasamebre. Kasamebre,